Yes, we are doing ribs. Another rib video, but this time I am using my Instant Pot here. No, I heard, I did do research, I never used Instant Pot. Some people did 26 minutes, some people do 30 minutes. I pre-tested, I did 31 minutes, came out with the perfect ribs. This is just a typical pork rib right here. Down here, Brandon.
It was a flower on your face.
I know what's going on there. Typical pork rib, back, front, already cleaned and everything.
Smack that rib.
You smack a damn rib after I clean it.
My hand's clean. My hand's clean.
Okay, so I got my seasoning, my little container, my onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, pepper, seasoned salt. I'm going down on the back with both of it. With this, get my seasoning in. And what I told you guys before, this is not my first rib video. I like the brown sugar. I love the brown sugar. So it's about like maybe a tablespoon. After I put in my seasoning, I'm just gonna rub the back of this down.
Massage it in.
Yeah, do a massage. I was gonna lay it on my board. I didn't feel like cleaning up the mess, so that's why I did it this way. This is the laziness of me. Okay, seasoning this, the front side. I always add my seasoning on top of my meat first. Okay. And I just rub my seasoning in. Take some more brown sugar. Yes, this is being sloppy, guys. That's okay. And rub in my brown sugar. Now, if you have vegetable broth or some apple juice, I would say put a cup of that inside your Instant Pot. Right now, I don't have neither one. But since I got all this brown sugar and seasoning, I'm using a cup of water, and which is still not going to hurt. It helps with that. Now, Brandon, I want you to come in this way. Go down inside the pot. They can see how I twist it down there around just like that.
In a circle.
It's in a circle. And I'm just going to go ahead, place in my water. I ain't never about a half a cup. In the middle. As simple as that. I want to put on my top. Hey, y'all, and I do the top now. Boom, Miss Lob. You heard a tick or whatever? So I got it right here. Straight ahead so that the seal is closed. And you see here the seal is right there in the gray part. Where the button is down right there.
Who made this?
That's what my SoulfulT did.
Oh, okay.
And so, it's locked. The seal thing is down. I am going to hit pressure cook.
Let me hit it for you?
No, I want to hit it myself with my knuckle. It's already on 15 minutes, but I want 31. I'm going to add it up. That's it. It's going to sit. It's going to come on. And we'll be back when it releases. 31 minutes. I'm going to show you how they come out the perfect reds. And see, look. It's already on. And we're going to let this Instant Pot do its thing. Do its thing, does its thing. Do its thing, and we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. My timer went off, so we about to release this thing. And last time, guys, I think I got the method down now. Shut up, let me go.
Oh, okay. My bad. What the freak?
No. Oh, wait a minute. This thing always... Okay, wait a minute. This is the part of this thing I truly hate. Okay, let me turn this. You know what? Let me, because I can't see.
Yeah, put it more towards me and burn me.
There you go. And then the button came up. I hate this part.
You gotta let it steam out like this.
You gotta let it steam out, and once the steam out, then you can take the top off. Oh my God, the fragrance, the aroma. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
I've been recording.
Oh. I like, oh my God, the aroma. Once you let the steam go, guys, oh my goodness, that aroma is, it's like that.
I like it like that.
You're gonna need some tongues.
Whoa. Whoa, mama.
Look at that. These are done. Come on, man. You know when you cook ribs, if you want to cook them nice and tender, you're slow cooking them. You let them take its time and all that stuff. You can have you some good, tasty ribs in about 45 minutes in a freaking slow cooker. 30 minutes in the pressure cooker, about 15 minutes in the oven on 375. I got my oven preheating.
You got in the oven now?
I want it in the oven. So this is the situation. You can dump out your apple juice or your vegetable broth, whatever you're going to use, or your water. You can stick your rib back in there. Do the whole barbecue sauce thing. Put the top on it and let it get warm or slow cook like for another 10 or 15 minutes and take it off and it be all broken up. And that would be good if you want to make like a rib sandwich and all that stuff. I want my ribs in the oven. So 15 minutes in the oven on 375. I'm gonna flip. Oh, look at it. Look how tender it is. I seasoned both sides. I've got to get my brush. Turn the TV down. I forgot to get my brush. Look at that. I should have got my brush, but I'm just going to use this. You like barbecue sauce? I want them on both sides. Then I'm going to flip it over. I need 2 sets of tongues, but I only got 1. Look how tender that is. Look, it came off the bone. Look at that meat. That is so good. The oven is ready. I'm putting this in the oven on 375. Yeah, I could have laid it flat out. I'm lazy. I'm making a mess. My top surface. Parsley flakes. 375 in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes because I get a little crisp. Let that barbecue sauce soak down in there. Don't forget your little brush if you got one. Alright, we'll be back in 15 minutes to wrap up this video. Okay guys, it is ready. Look at that. So, what I want to do, because I want to put it on my, place it on my plate.
Just throw it, smack it on this. Yeah, like that. Ooh, yeah, baby.
Bring the water.
Where the garlic mashed potatoes at? And the cheddar biscuits.
They had that with them stuffed pork chops.
Get that for you? Right here?
Yeah, help me out. Ugh. Yes. You put that over there. You get rid of this bone. And I'm right-handed. Look how easy it cut.
Oh, come.
So guess what? It could be cooked.
That's it. Look.
Look at that, guy. Look at that falling off the bone. It's too hot. It's too hot to taste. But look at it falling off the bones. Now, I can't taste it. It's too hot to taste. But
I can't taste it. It's too hot to taste.
come on, mouth watering like, I want to taste a piece. But guess what? It could be done in the Instant Pot. Go get the boy some tissue. He wishes you. Go get him tissue for his nose. Jesus.
God,
Okay.
hey.
I'm sorry for that interrupted.
Get back to SoulfulT. Get back.
I'm ready. Keep trying to whisper. Go get me some tissue. He like, what? Oh my God.
Do it again. He was like, what, Mom?
He's like, what? Oh my God, I can't with these people. Oh my God,
You saw about them the camera?
Yes. Okay, guys, let's write it up. They're tender. The Instapot does its thing. It do what it need to do. Okay? Good ribs, 45 minutes. You cannot beat that. And truth be known, you get about 2 slabs. You get about 2 slabs in here. If you want to do it, you get at least 2 slabs in this pot. I only have 1. Because it was for a video. Because I made one the other day. Oh my God, we are so out of here. I love you guys. Until next time, hit the bell to be notified. We're out. These are my stuffed pork rinds, pork chunks, pork rinds, topped with some cinnamon. I want cinnamon glaze or cinnamon pears. Look at them. They fall all over the place.